Welcome to our channel. We have this question today to attend to. So when you look at this question now, what we are going to do is to find two numbers that when you plus them, when you add them together, you get plus 10. And when you multiply them, you get minus 24. When you look at this question, you find out that here is positive and here is negative. So we must find two numbers that either negative or plus, that when we add them together, we'll get this. We'll multiply them together, we'll get minus 24. So the only two numbers that can do that is minus 2 and plus 12. Minus 2 and plus 12. Because minus 2 plus 12 will give us plus 10. That is, you are owing 2, but you have 12. If you remove these 2 you are owing, out of the 12 you have and pay, you are left with 10. Then the next thing is minus 2 times plus 12. Okay, let me put it in writing. So getting 10, we have, that is minus 2 plus 12 will give us plus 10. Why minus 2 times 12 will give us, or times plus 12 will give us minus 24, because minus times plus is minus, then 2 times 12 is 24. So let's continue. So what do we do now? We remove this 10 here, replace it with minus 2 and plus 12. So what is it? Well, we have a new expression now, that is x squared minus 2x plus 12x minus 24. Minus 24. So the next thing now, we'll group them, group here and group here. So we now have x squared minus 2x in a bracket plus 12x minus 24. We group them. So we find the HCF of here and here. So finding the HCF, we have x squared and minus 2x. So x can go, x divide this x squared, we are left with x, because x squared means x into 2 places. So if this x kill one of the x, one x is left. So here x divide this will give us, that is x cancel x, we are left with minus 2. Then we can put it, our HCF is x, then bracket x minus 2, bracket close. So we do the same here. We have 12x and minus 24. Remember we have plus here. So we now have, what can go? 12. 12 divide here, we have x. And 12 divide minus 24 will give us, 24 will give us 2. So what do we have here now? We have 12 bracket x, x minus 2, bracket close. So the next thing here now, the two HCF, we put them in a bracket. This bracket and this bracket are the same. We select only one. So we now have bracket open, x plus 12. Remember the plus here, plus 12, bracket close, and bracket open, x minus 2, bracket close. So this is the final answer here. I'm going to do something here. In case whenever you get this kind of thing and you are doubting, you are not sure, you can do what is called check. Check to know whether your answer is correct. So we are going to expand now. X times x will give us x squared. X times minus 2. X times minus 2 will give us minus 2x. Then 12 times x will give us 12 times x is plus 12x, and the 12 times minus 2 will give us minus 24. So when you look at what I have gotten here, it has given me the same thing I have here. Thank you so much. We'll meet in the next class. Always remember to follow my YouTube channel, Crimzo Classroom. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you, and see you in the next class.